Welcome back, coders, to Learn2Leads.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Learn2Leads. So today we will start our Python journey for absolute beginner. So if you find this video informative, so please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss out our future tutorial. So now let's move into the screen. The topic we will cover today is single line comment, multi-line comment, escape sequence character and print statement. So I have already covered two videos on Python, how to install Python and Python introduction. If you guys didn't watch the video, please check it out. So now let's open the VS Code. So if you guys don't know how to install VS Code, so I'm showing you how to install VS Code. So first go to Google Chrome and search VS Code. And then click on the first website. Then click on download. And according to your operating system, download the VS Code. Okay. So now let's go to VS Code again. So let me create a file with tutorial.py. So when we are making any Python file, we have to always give py as extension. So what is comment in programming? So comment is like a simple message in programming that will not be executed by interpreter or ID or any editor. Comment serves as a documentation or explanation in a program that makes convenient for the developer to understand the code. So we should always use comment in programming. I'm giving you a simple example. So suppose you are working on a large scale of project and you wrote more than 1,000 line of code, but after a certain time you want to change the code. You came back and it might seem so difficult to understand the code again. So if you comment all the thing, you can understand the code easily. So for that reason, it always better to use comment in programming. So now let's talk about single line comment in Python. So in Python, we define single line comment with a hash symbol like this. And it will also not make any change in program. So for example, we are printing Learn2Leads. And let me comment out here. This is a statement that will print Learn2Leads. So now let's run the program and let's see. So as you can see, comment did not make any change on program. So now let's talk about multi-line comment. When we want to give instruction 3-4 lines about any algorithm, anything, then we can use multi-line comment. In Python, we define multi-line comments with triple single quotes and triple double quotes like this. So let's copy anything. Let's go to Google and let me go to my website. Let me copy the about us. So if I run this program again, it will still not change anything. So what is escape sequence character in Python? Denoted by backslash. So it's a special type of character that represent non-printable character in string, including tab, new line, and many more. I'm giving you two examples. So suppose you're writing anything like, let me copy this one. So let me put double quote. paste this. So if I want to enter over here, it will show error. So Python is saying if you use escape sequence character to get a new line like this, so you will get the new line. So if I print it now, so it will get printed with new line. So as you can see, we have got the new line. Another thing is, if you want to put any specific character inside double quotes, so for example like this, but you can't do like this because it will show error. So if you use escape sequence character, so if I put a backslash here and here, and if we print it, so now we can see that this is printed inside a double quote. So this is how you can use escape sequence character. So now print. So print statement in Python help us to display output. So for example, we can display hello world. We can display any kind of number. We can write hello Learn2Leads. So like this, we can use print statement in Python. So thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.